Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. This week I want to talk a little bit about human performance and just being able to feel our best and function our best day to day. I'm going to go ahead and say that sleep, at least for me and a lot of the people that I know, can be one of the most important aspects of human performance. I mean, think about when you had a terrible night of sleep. The next day is just, it's rough. You've got brain fog. We're trying to think. We're not on top of it. Compared to a night when maybe you got, 8 to 10 hours of great sleep. I mean, you just feel like a supercharged superhuman, right? And when it comes down to getting good sleep, a lot of the more recent studies are saying that we have to get our bedrooms in a state of calm, right? And so this week's Just the Tip is all about diving into your bedroom. How can we improve your sleep? Can we declutter nightstands? Can we get clothes put away? Can we go through maybe any items that are just thrown over a chair, right? Get down to just having super basic essentials in that room. What makes you calm? What helps you think clearly or not think at all and just relax. Also, keeping in mind we want it dark, having those blackout shades, a nice cool temperature, as little clutter as possible, and just improving our quality of life by improving our sleep, by improving the organization in our bedrooms. So I want you to dig deep into the bedroom this week and really start honing in on improving that, because I guarantee it's going to benefit many other aspects of your life. And you will be so thankful that you put sleep as one of your big priorities. So get after it, and I'll see you next week.